Hello everyone, in this video I will show what can be done with an old mobile phone charger. First, the charger needs to be disassembled. Using a metal knife, we cut off the plug. The cut area needs to be processed with sandpaper. After processing, we insert the step plug. We drill a hole and then fix the connector with the help of 2 bolts. In the second part of the case, with the help of a file, you need to slightly grind the existing holes and then mount the connector there. Next, solder a few parts from the board. We will need a diode, a transistor, 2 resistors with a nominal value of about 100 ohms and a transformer. One of the resistors and 2 wire sections need to be soldered to the diode. Using a hot glue gun, we fix the diode in the case. Next, we take a piece of the mounting board and place the remaining parts on it. Now we solder all this according to the scheme shown on the screen. So that's how it all turned out. Now we connect this board to the connectors that are mounted in the case. We fix the board inside the case and screw on the lid. At this stage, the do-it-yourself is complete. It turned out to be a small voltage converter that outputs 12 volts from 3. We plug a low-power consumer into the socket and supply power from the battery. As you can see, everything works perfectly. Also, with this device you can charge a phone or, for example, connect a Wi-Fi router. Who liked this do-it-yourself? Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell. Thanks for watching and goodbye to all.